Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be installing the new diffuser on my sister's 2010 Honda Civic. Shout out to Custom Tuning for sending this out. So this is a new prototype. We're going to install it onto my sister's car today, and it's fairly simple. Just going to be double-sided tape on the back, and as you can see, there's already a brake light. So we're just going to tap in 3 simple wires. I'll show you guys how to test switch a switch. And they also sent over some side spats for rear valences for the rear. So the rears are just going to be sitting right here. The diffuser is going to be sitting here, and as you can see from right there, they have a cutout for the exhaust and just all this stuff. So I've already looked into what we're going to do, so we're going to go over to this side and simply tap in to the back of the wires for this rear tail light. I was going to originally do it on this side, but I already have something tapped in for the reverse light for her backup camera, so we're going to use that side just for simplicity and for not having too many wires. So we're going to first clean the area and then put 3M tape all around, and then I just gotta find 2 self-tapping screws that's going to screw in at those 2 spots. What the backside looks like. We're just going to put 3M tape all the way around just on the edges. So 1/2 inch double-sided tape should do. I don't have that, so I'm just going to cut it in half. Like that. So I taped it up, and as you can see, it's straight, it's not crooked. The exhaust port is right in the middle, and then that's the wire that we're going to be running up. I'm going to see if I can find any grommets that are unused, and then I'll just hook it through that. If not, I'll probably make a small little hole, put a new grommet, run it through the wire so it's weatherproof. But so as you can see, this notch does not fit that hole, which is what I was talking about earlier. So this is perfect. And then we're just gonna be putting 2 self-tapping screws in here, and it should be good. Okay, so I just found some bolts that I had lying around, so I'm just gonna use these to install the diffuser, 2 on the bottom, and then I'm gonna put 2 through this for the side slats. Let me show you how it looks afterward. So I put 1 screw here, and then the screw right there. Okay, so now we're going to install the side slats, which are these guys. So you can see that there's an angle right here. So this actually, let me show you, follows the angle of how the bumper is, as you can see right here. Like that. So then when you put this up, it should line up exactly like that. Yeah, not like this or anything, but like it should line up like that. So I'm gonna give it a little room, and then here is going to sit pretty flush like that. So it may end up looking like that.